not away. 关前后街 Pátio das Escondidas, rua de Nossa Senhora do Amparo, streets of Macau, it's Lunar New Year. Happy Chinese New Year, Happy Lunar New Year. 新年快乐，恭喜发财，新年快乐，恭喜发财。Walking the streets of Macau, Macau, those beautiful streets of Macau. Oh, those damn beautiful streets of Macau.
This is Pátio das Escondidas. We'll just kind of show you what it's around here, including that kind of interesting looking house. Ostra, Beco de Ostra, and this goes all the way down. And this looks like it kind of goes into here. It looks like maybe public parking, so I think it's part of this courtyard. So let's go check it all out. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Pátio das Escondidas. So you can park over there, and it looks like you can also park over here. So there's kind of old architecture, and I don't think I've walked in the street before, so we're gonna just capture it, but it looks like there are apartments in here. And it looks like it's also public parking, so you can park your car in these spaces in here. There's also some residential apartments in here too. Check this out. You can see some of that up there. Cats in here. Wow, it's really interesting. There's a cat right there. So yeah, this is a little courtyard turned into like a parking lot. Check out how skinny and tall that apartment is up there. I wonder where the access they used to come in there. Those tiny little windows. Looks like there's buildings that were all in here, but they scraped them off. Put little windows for some of them so they could view. Okay, so that's Escondidas. We're just going to come out and look at the street right here. This is all pedestrians today, but usually it's traffic. Usually cars come through here. So it's kind of unusual to see it so quiet like it is today. Let's kind of walk. We're just going to kind of explore. It's quite rare to have it be so quiet like this. Here's Teatro Street. I just want to see what this is. Things always changing, and today in Teatro they have this beautiful mural like that. I don't know if that's temporary. It looks like it's temporary, not permanent, but it's a really nice piece of artwork. Okay, so we're gonna just take advantage of our street without cars that usually come up and down it. Then we'll show you our target street, Escondidas. This little patio. There's other alleys. And this one is another parking lot in there too. And that's the Escondidas. So yeah, that's our target street. And we have these other, this is like the old warehouse street right here. Then because it's all pedestrian friendly, it says New Year Lane Festival. So for the next 5 days, Chinese New Year. I would just try to capture it. It's rare to have it like this where there's no cars coming through. So this is like 5 days, but this is turned into a pedestrian street. We'll just go down to where the music is at. Yeah, it's actually Chinese New Year, so I probably won't put it up until March sometime. So our little place was down that way a little bit. It looks like we do have the parade coming through, so we'll try to capture some of that as well. So I think what we're going to do is, it's not really fair if I don't label this street as well, because this is quite interesting and different. Okay. So we just go all the way up our street. Yeah, it's pretty unusual to have it all set up today. So we'll basically we'll do that little warehouse, that little patio. We're coming down from up above. Food truck. I'm gonna say hello, but I'll say hello later. He has two businesses now. Yeah, this is all pedestrian street. Nossa, Senhora to Amparo. Quite unusual. Just to give you some context, this is parallel with this street, which is the pedestrian street, and then the other one is the so Envenario is just the pedestrian one, but today they are both pedestrian. So we're going to go all the way up to the base of the street. Nossa Senhora de Amparo.
身體健康，家庭幸福。
我哋馬年咧一定要馬上發財啊！
馬上發財啊！去邊度發啊？
And we are going to go back.
恭喜發財！小朋友咧，各司聰明。
Like this. So that street had a little bit of a clog in it, so we just come around to this way. Then we'll end the video over here on this side. So we just come out to the end and we'll end the video. So that's another Sights in Macau here. Probably put it up in March sometime. Definitely